The worst thing that can happen to a man or a woman is to get married into a wrong family, or to marry a wrong wife or a wrong man, a husband. So welcome, sweetie, to Cook with Grace Kisui. In today's video, we'll be cooking sakpas okra soup. So we'll be using what we have left in our fridge to make the soup. Okay, so just watch in through the video. Okay, and once again, I just want to use this opportunity to welcome my return subscribers, and to those that joined the family, you're welcome. And to those that have been watching that have not subscribed yet, please, what are you still waiting for? Please click on the like button, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and get notified anytime I post a new video. Please, not only watching, please, you can share the video so that people will learn. There are people out there that really wants to learn this one or two from this. Okay, so let's go back to the video.
It's so sad that the owner of the story is not alive to tell the story, but a family member has to tell the story on his behalf. Like I said earlier, the worst thing that can happen to any man or woman is to marry the wrong person, a wrong man or the wrong woman. That is the worst thing that can ever happen to any man or woman in their marriage. This is the reason why they said you should cut here before getting married to that person. In that relationship or during that cutting period, from there you will kind of see a red light, something break light. And once you notice that red light, my darling, you don't need to wait. You just have to let it go, because it's either it costs you your life or the other way around. So please, once you're in a relationship and you notice any red light, please, is a stop, no go area. In much as how you love that person or whatever, is a no, 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 no. This is the reason why you see many people after getting married, they start saying, I regret getting married to you, yada, 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 yada. So in order to avoid that regret, no even choke head. Okay, they are the earlier stage. Like I said earlier, it's so sad that the owner of the story is never alive to tell the story, but someone did on his behalf. So I will share the story with you now. The story goes this way. This is the story of Mr. Godswill. It is a very heartbreaking one. He fell in love with the wrong woman and married into the wrong family. After 2 children together, he discovered a very shocking secret about his wife, that her 18 years old brother is actually her child that she gave birth to when she was a teenager, working as a maid for a reverend father. He also learned that his wife was sleeping with her boss, you can imagine. Before he's dead, he revealed that anytime his wife got pregnant, she would leave the house for 9 months and then resurface with the newborn baby and hand it to him. He claimed his wife told him the reason she goes away anytime she gets pregnant was so that he would not buy. That in their family, any man that see their pregnant wife ends up dying. You can imagine the lie. He believed her at first, but sooner began to doubt it when he learned she was sleeping with her boss at work. Now, wow. This was when he started doubting if the 2 children she bore for him were actually his. On the 19th of January 2022, he was invited by his mother-in-law's house for a meeting. His wife relative summoned him and he went there. This was not unusual because he usually visits the mother-in-law space often, as it was closer to one of his working place. Eventually for him, this was the last time anyone saw him alive. His sister got a phone call from his wife informing them that their son, Mr. Godswill, has died from asthma. Now, wow. She even presented a doctor report. However, when the family saw Mr. Godswill's body in the mortuary, they observed something very unusual. Now, wow. Something very strange that did not match with what was written in the doctor's report. Mr. Godwin was tied up, beaten, and forced to drink sniper by his in-law, who invited him over for a meeting after learning his wife's dirty secret. You can imagine. The family decided to end Mr. Godwin because he finally knows the secret about the wife. That is getting married to a wrong wife and also a wrong family. May God have mercy on us. May we not find ourselves getting married to a wrong family or a wrong wife in Jesus' name. So, sweetie, I hope you love the story. And what do you have to say about the story? See you all on my next one. And please don't forget, if you are in a relationship and you notice red light, I beg, jackpa for your dear life. Okay. The earlier, the better. Okay, see you on my next one. Love you all. Bye bye.